So I received DM from a few people asking me have I really tested them, if they're washable or not. So here I'm going to test them for you on different surfaces. So this is table, and I'm going to clean this from the table by using a simple baby wipe. You can see it's wiped off just easily. And I'm going to use them on a wall for you all. And just like that, it's gone. I'm gonna rub it a little bit more, and you can see on a sofa as well. Not really effective on the sofa, but then this was just a baby wipe. So maybe if we use the detergent cloth with water, it will come off easily. So this is not bad even with the wipe. So I've tested these washable markers and washable crayons on clothes. They come off really easy with one wash.